If you are on keto diet or going to start it, then you are all welcome to my channel on dietitian.diet. Today, I'm going to cover a topic which is nowadays very trending and people are actually doing this. So this video will clear your all doubts. So let's begin with the definition. The diet with very low carbs and high fatty foods is considered as keto diet. It has 60% fats, 35% protein and 5% carbs. Basically, in keto diet, we replace the intake of carbs with healthy options. The next question arises in our mind is, what actually happens in our body when we take keto diet? The answer is very simple. The reduction of carbs put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis is a state in which human body starts to break down fats for energy as less carbs is available for energy. This results in the increased level of ketones in the blood. Before starting the keto diet, it is important to know that why do you need keto? So here's the answer. It has many health benefits, like it helps in reducing blood glucose, hence helps in maintaining diabetes. It reduces the fat in the body, reduces triglycerides and bad fats, hence it leads to weight loss. Also, it reduces the risk of developing many other diseases. Keto diet has many health benefits, like it helps in reducing the risk of heart diseases, cancers, tumors, Alzheimer's, seizures, PCOD in women, acne, reduces the risk of metabolic, neurological and insulin-related diseases. Also improves the symptoms of Parkinson's. So here comes an important part, the diet. Yes. So what food should be included in the keto? So here comes the answer. So now I'm gonna provide you a list of foods that can be included in keto diet. So here we go. So first is meat. In meat, we have so many options, like we can take a red meat, turkey, sausages, chicken, ham, bacon and steak. In fishes, we can have salmon, tuna, trout and mackerel. The other options are eggs, dairy foods like cream, butter, cheese like mozzarella, cottage cheese, cheddar. Nuts and seeds like almonds, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnut seeds and pumpkin seed. The next is avocado. It is very important and a good option for the beginners as it is very high in vitamins, minerals including potassium. Condiments like pepper, salt, herbs, black pepper and spices. Low carbs veggies like tomato, green veggies and onions. And the best and the healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil and avocado oil. Now one more important question is, what food should be excluded in our keto diet? So the first food is sugary foods like soda, sugars, fast foods and ice creams. They should be strictly avoided from the diet. Grains and starches like wheat, rice, pasta and cereals are also excluded. All the fruits are avoided except berries. Beans and legumes like peas, chickpeas and beans. Root and tubers like potato, sweet potato, carrots and parsnips. Sweet condiments like ketchup, honey, sweet spices and chutneys. Unhealthy fats like vegetable oils and mayonnaise. Alcohol should be strictly avoided from the diet. Processed foods without sugar are also excluded from the diet totally. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.